Today, I'm going to teach you how to loop songs on Amazon Music. This feature is perfect when you want to replay your favorite playlist or keep a single track on repeat without manually restarting it each time. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open the Amazon Music app on your computer or laptop and log in with your credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll see the main interface with several options at the top of the screen. Look for the menu bar and click on Library. This will open up your personal music collection where all your saved content is stored. After clicking Library, you'll need to select Music from the options that appear. This takes you to a view of all your music content organized in different categories. Now, you'll see several tabs available, including playlists, albums, and artists. You can choose any of these depending on what you want to loop. For this tutorial, let's click on Playlists, but keep in mind the same process works if you select an album or artist instead. Once you're in your playlists view, browse through and click on the specific playlist you want to loop. After selecting it, go ahead and start playing the music. The playback will begin, and you'll see the player controls appear at the bottom of your screen. Now, although I can't play music right now since my account is not yet upgraded, I will show you the next step. In the playback bar at the bottom of your screen, look for the loop icon. It typically looks like two arrows forming a circle or loop shape. Click on this icon to activate the loop function. Here's how the loop feature works. When you click it once, it will loop all the songs in your playlist or album, meaning once the last song finishes, it will automatically start playing from the beginning again. If you click the loop icon a second time, it switches to loop one song mode. This means the current track you're listening to will repeat continuously until you turn off the loop or change tracks. This simple feature gives you complete control over your listening experience, whether you want to keep an entire playlist going in the background or focus on just one song you can't get enough of. And that's it. You now know how to loop songs on Amazon Music, giving you the freedom to enjoy your music exactly the way you want. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.